Children, hope you all are fine. First, children, you take out your English textbook and your grammar tree book in front of you. Children, do you know how many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Children, you take out your notebook, put the date and date and day. Write the heading months of the year and copy this work in your notebook. Now take out your grammar tree book and open page number 17. Put the date and day. Read the heading months of the year. A year has 12 months. How many months, children? Yes, 12 months. The names of these 12 months are given below. A year begins with January and ends with December. बच्चों, हमारे months कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं बेटा? किस मंथ से स्टार्ट होते हैं? जनवरी से. और एंड किस मंथ पे होते हैं? दिसंबर पे. इस तरह फर्स्ट मंथ कौन सा हुआ बच्चों? यस, जनवरी. फर्स्ट मंथ इज जनवरी. सेकेंड फरवरी. थर्ड मार्च. फोर्थ अप्रैल. फिफ्थ मई. एंड सिक्स मंथ इज जून. सेवेंथ जुलाई. एट्थ मंथ इज अगस्त. नाइन्थ मंथ इज सितंबर. टेंथ मंथ इज October, 11th November and the last month, 12th month is December. Learn to spell the names correctly. These names, as you know already, are all proper nouns. बेटा ये सारे months जो हैं वो प्रॉपर नाउन है, इसलिए हम जब भी इनको लिखते हैं तो इनका फर्स्ट लेटर बेटा क्या होता है? कैपिटल. हमेशा मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर वी विल स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर. रिमेंबर इट, डोंट फॉरगेट इट. नाउ रीड द हेडिंग. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट नेम्स ऑफ द मंथ्स. Already I explained you which is the first month. January. Second, February. Now read the first blank, children. Dash is the second month of the year. Now you tell me which is the second month. First is January and second month is February. You write here February. Children, you complete this exercise with me. Okay, read the second line. The sixth month of the year is, which is the sixth month, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, sixth month is June. Read the third line. Dash is the 11th month of the year. Count it again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. Yes. November is the 11th month of the year. Right here, November. Do neat and clean handwriting. Read the fourth line. The third month of the year is, which is the third month? First, second and third. Yes, third month is March. Okay, read the next line. Line number is, yes, the fifth month of the year is, fifth month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth month is May. Read the last line. Dash is the 10th month of the year. Count it again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Yes, October is the 10th month of the year. Right here, October. Okay, children, you complete this page in your grammar tree book and learn the names of the months properly. And don't forget to write the month name. Start with the capital letter. Next topic is about jumbled words. Definition of jumbled word is a word should make sense. If we do not put the letters in right order, it has no sense. It becomes jumbled. बेटा बाज़ दफ़ा हम ऐसे वर्ड्स देखते हैं जो जंबल में लिखे हुए होते हैं, अब उनका कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनता, तो उनको हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? राइट ऑर्डर में दोबारा रीअरेंज करना पड़ता है, ताकि जब हम उसको पढ़ें तो उसका एक वर्ड प्रॉपर बने और उसके मीनिंग्स भी हों. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टेक आउट योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड पुट द डेट एंड डे, पुट द हेडिंग ऑफ डेफिनेशन, jumble words, and copy this definition in your notebook. Now children, you take out your grammar tree book and open page number 16. Put the date and day. Jumble words. Okay children, read the caption. The letters of the words given below are all jumbled up. Look at the pictures and guess what are the words are. Write the actual words in the blank space. Children, look at this picture and read the word. बेटा ये जंबल करके लिखा हुआ है, हमें रीअरेंज करना है और राइट ऑर्डर में लिखना है. Look at this picture. What is it? Yes, it is an umbrella. How we write umbrella? We start with U, then M, B, R, E, double L, A, umbrella. अब आप देखिए चिल्ड्रन, ये अम्ब्रेला और ये वर्ड लिखा हुआ है अम्ब्रेला, ये जम्बल्ड है, इसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. लेकिन जब हम उन्हें रीअरेंज करके राइट ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं तो वर्ड भी इजीली रीड किया जा सकता है और उसके मीनिंग भी बनते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड एंड नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, सी व्हाट इज इट? इट इज़ अ कोट. राइट कोट हियर. देन नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, bicycle. Write bicycle here. Okay children, now complete this page with the given my examples. Rabbit, elephant, television, telephone, chair, window. Start part B. Question is, here are some more jumbled words with no picture clue. Can you guess what the actual word are? Children, in this topic we don't have any picture or any clue. We guess the actual word. Put the finger on the first word. Read it. Yes. In click. Children, is this a correct word? No. Beta, इसमें कोई सेंस है या इस वर्ड के कोई मीनिंग है? नो. सो वी रीअरेंज दिस वर्ड अगेन. हम इन अल्फ़ाबेट्स को अगेन रीअरेंज करेंगे और एक प्रॉपर वर्ड बनाएंगे जिसके मीनिंग भी हो और जिस वर्ड का कोई सेंस बनता हो. ओके, लेट्स अरेंज इट. फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विथ L. L I C P E N. Lick. Pen. Is any sense or meaning of this word? No. Okay. Arrange these alphabets again. Okay. Now we start with P. Start. P E N. P E N. Pen. Now complete it. Yes. C I L. Pencil. Is this an actual word? And it has meaning. Start the next word. Start with D. D O C. Complete it. Yes. Doctor. D O C. Then T O R. Doctor. Next word start with M. Mother. Next word start with B. Book. Next word make it, yes, start with T. T E A C H E R. Yes, teacher. Now arrange the alphabets. Start with S. S I S. Sis. T E R. Ter. Sister. Now complete exercise B with the given example. Move forward to the page 34. Put the date and day. Read the caption. Who or what am I? Match the words with the clues. Write the word next to the clue it matches. Children, first we read the words given in yellow box. I am dictating the word and explain their meanings. First word is uncle. Uncle means auntie's husband. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Second word is P-A-N, pan. Pan means pot. Pot बर्तन जिसमें बेटा हम खाना पकाते हैं. C-O-A-T, coat. Next word is engine. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Next, C-U-C. C-U-C. U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Beta, cucumber means खीरा, vegetable. Name of vegetable. Next word, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Window means खिड़की. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. R-O-S-E, rose. Rose, flower. D-O-double-D-double-O-R, door. D-E-N-T-I-S-T, dentist. Dentist, a person who look after our teeth. हमारे दांतों को जो लुक आफ्टर करता है, देखता है, उस डॉक्टर को हम क्या कहते हैं? डेंटिस्ट. P P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Broom, a tool which clean our house. बेटा जिससे हम अपने घर को साफ करते हैं क्या हम लगाते हैं? Yes, broom means झाड़ू. Now start to read the sentence. I will read the sentence and you guess and find the answer from the yellow box. Read the sentence with me. Number 1, you write with me. Find the answer. Engine, cucumber, window. No. Yes. You write the answer with pencil. So you write here pencil. Number 2, I pull railway wagon. बेटा look here, यहाँ पे एक ट्रेन बनी हुई है बेटा. अब आप बताइए इस ट्रेन को चलाने के लिए हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? Find the answer from the box. Yes, engine. We write here engine. Read the third sentence. You wear me when it is cold. Cold जब ठंड होती है तो हम क्या पहनते हैं बेटा? Yes, coat. Sentence number 4, you open me to let in fresh air. बेटा फ्रेश एयर के लिए हम अपने रूम में किसको ओपन करते हैं? Find the answer, children. Move fast. Yes, window. Right here, window. Now, children, you complete all the sentence. Read it and complete it. Find the answer from the yellow box and complete page 34. Now, children, take out your notebook and write the definition of punctuation. Note down the definition of punctuation. First, you put the date and day. Write the definition. Let's start writing. A sentence always start with a capital letter and names of person, place and pet animals, days of week, months. Write with a capital letter and usually end with a full stop or question mark. बेटा पंक्चुएशन क्या है? हम हमेशा उसमें नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, किसी जगह का नाम, हमारे पेट एनिमल्स होते हैं जिनका हम अपने लिए कोई फेवरेट नाम रखते हैं, जैसे डॉगी, तो उसको हम किससे स्टार्ट करेंगे? कैपिटल लेटर से. इसी तरह बेटा डेज ऑफ द वीक, मंथ्स के नेम हमेशा हम कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. और जब एक सेंटेंस हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उसको कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू करते हैं और एंड किस पे करते हैं बेटा? हम या तो फुल स्टॉप पे, और अगर वो क्वेश्चन होता है तो फिर हम उसको क्वेश्चन मार्क पे एंड करते हैं. नाउ ओपन page 13. Take out your grammar tree book and open page 13. Put the date and day. Read the caption, capital letters and punctuation. In book 1, beta, we already done this topic in your previous class 1. In book 1, you have learned that your name begins with a capital letter and so does the name of your city. Now you know why. They are both proper nouns. Children, हमारा नाम, हमारे सिटी का नाम प्रॉपर नाउन्स हैं, इसलिए हम हमेशा प्रॉपर नाउन को भी कैपिटल से लिखते हैं. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, दिस इज़ हाउ यू राइट द नेम ऑफ पीपल. बेटा जब किसी पर्सन का नेम होता है तो वो भी हम कैपिटल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक हिबा मलिक, ताहा अहमद, फ़िज़ा हसन, सारा इस्लाम. बेटा ये सारे नेम्स हैं जिनको हमने स्टार्ट किससे किया है? कैपिटल लेटर से. नाउ रीड द क्वेश्चन. वेयर डू यू लीव? वेयर डू यू लीव? I live in blank. Now read the name of the cities and find your city name. Lahore, Quetta, Hyderabad, Rahim Yar Khan, Sakhar, Karachi, Islamabad, Multan, Peshawar, Abbottabad. Look here children. We start the name of the city with the capital letter. So you write here your city name. I live in Karachi. So we write and start the name of our city with the capital letter. K is capital, Karachi. डू यू लिव इन सम अदर सिटी और टाउन? बेटा इसमें अगर कोई और सिटी और टाउन में आप रहते हैं तो वहाँ तो यहाँ पर हम उसका नाम लिखेंगे. रीड द नेक्स्ट लाइन. द नेम ऑफ अ टाउन, सिटी, कंट्री, कॉन्टिनेंट, लाइक ऑल प्रॉपर नाउन्स, बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल लेटर विच इज़ फॉलोड बाय स्मॉल लेटर्स. हेयर आर सम countries name, and all the country names we start with the capital letter. Look here. Pakistan, P is capital. China, Saudi Arabia, France, Italy, Africa, Asia, and the last name Germany. Write the name of your country here. Here children, we write the name of our country. And what is the name of our country? Yes, our country name is Pakistan. So you write here Pakistan. Now children, turn the page and open page number 14. Page number 14. Which school do you go to? Each word that makes up the name of your school begins with a capital letter. Write the name of your school here. Here we write the name of our school. And what is the name of our school? Yes, our school name is TIPS, the Islamic Public School. You write here the name of your school. TIPS, the Islamic Public School. Children, open page 14. Look at exercise A. Read the caption. In your exercise book, rewrite the following sentences properly using capital letters and full stop where necessary. Children, all these sentences you rewrite in your notebook. 1 to 5 is your classwork. 1 to 5 is your classwork, and 6 to 10 is your homework. Children, you will complete this exercise of page 14 like this. Put the date and day. Exercise A. Rewrite the following sentences. Use capital letter and full stop. Sentence number 1 is, Jack and Jill went up the hill. बेटा नाउ अब हम इसमें किस तरह से बेटा करेंगे, जैक का जे जो है वो कैपिटल हो जाएगा. जिल इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, सो यू राइट विद द कैपिटल लेटर. एंड went up to the hill, sentence end with full stop. Children, you will complete exercise A of page 14 like this. First, write the caption, rewrite the following sentences, use capital letter and full stop. Sentence number 1, Jack and Jill went up the hill. अब इसको बेटा हम किस तरह करेंगे, Jack is the name of the person, so we write J capital, and Jill is the name of a person, so we rewrite the J capital, and sentence end with the full stop. Leave the line and start the second sentence. Farah's mother took her to the doctor. बेटा अब इसमें कौन कौन से वर्ड्स कैपिटल होंगे, ओनली फरा, बिकॉज फरा इज द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, सो वी राइट एफ कैपिटल. फराज मदर टुक हर टू द डॉक्टर, एंड इन द एंड यू पुट फुल स्टॉप. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, you will complete sentence number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 with the previous example and complete your work neat and clean. Children, today we are going to start our new topic, adjective. You already done this topic in your previous class. Now I will explain you what is adjective. First I show you few lines. Children, don't write these lines in your notebook. It is only your explanation. I will read the line and you tell me how many adjectives are there. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Children, do you remember this poem, Mary Had a Little Lamb? Now, give me answer. What did Mary had? Yes, Mary had a little lamb. She had little lamb. How was it fleece? Yes, it was white. Good children. But the word little in this line and the word white was adjective. The little described the noun lamb. The white describe the noun fleece. So how many adjectives are there? Yes, there are 2 adjectives. Children, which tell us more about noun. It is called adjective. वो words बेटा जो noun को describe करते हैं. Look around you. You have fan in your room. You have fan in your room. If I ask you, tell me few lines about fan. How you tell me? How you explain the fan? You explain, my fan is white. My fan is very big. So you describe the noun fan. And which word you use to describe the fan? You use white and big. Children, now you take out your notebook and put the date and day, heading adjective. Write the definition in your notebook. An adjective is a word which describe or tell us more about noun is called adjective. Just like red, small, golden, pretty. बेटा रेड, अब लिसन, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ आई हैव अ रेड शर्ट, शर्ट इज अ नाउन एंड यू डिस्क्राइब द शर्ट रेड, वो रेड कलर की आप मुझे डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. स्मॉल, इफ़ यू हैव a pot, you describe the pot, my pot is very small. golden, golden को आप नाउन में कैसे डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं नाउन को? my mother has a golden chair. pretty, आप ड्रेस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं गर्ल्स, I have a pretty dress. now children, take out your grammar tree book. Open page 18. Put the date and day. Heading adjectives. In book 1, class 1 में बेटा हम adjective पढ़ चुके हैं पहले भी. You learn about describing words. Such a word describe or tell you more about a thing, person or place. बेटा नाउन को जो वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करता है उसको हम एग्जेक्टिव कहते हैं. लुक हेयर, फ्यू लाइन्स, फ्यू सेंटेंसेस इन योर बुक. बिस्मा वोर अ ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस. ड्रेस को डिस्क्राइब एग्जेक्टिव कैसे कर रहा है? ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस. इन द सेकेंड लाइन, दिस इज अ लिटिल बॉय. लिटिल बॉय इज़ अ पर्सन, और पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब बॉय को कर रहे हैं हम किस तरह? लिटिल. यस चिल्ड्रन, जमील हैज़ अ न्यू फुटबॉल. न्यू बेटा डिस्क्राइब द थिंग फुटबॉल. सी द लाइन नंबर डी. पाकिस्तान इज़ अ बिग कंट्री. यस, big describe the place Pakistan or country. Read the caption. A. Choose the correct adjective from the list given below and fill in each blank. One has been done for you. First, we read the yellow box. You read the words after me. T-I-N-Y, tiny. Tiny means chota. C-U-N-N-I-N-G, cunning. Cunning means clever. G-O-O-D, good. R-E-D, red. B-L-U-E, blue. W-H-I-T-E, white. W-I-L-D, wild. Wild means animals, those are live in the forest. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. G-O-L-D-E-N, golden. B-L-A-C-K, black. Now read the sentence children. One is already done for you. The boy wore a dash shirt. Find the adjective in this box and fill each blank. Suitable adjectives को बेटा हम blanks में fill करेंगे. The boy wore a dash shirt. The boy wore a white shirt. We will find the white in the box. The next line, she picked a dash rose from the bush. Find the adjective. Tiny, white. Yes, she picked a red rose. Read sentence number 3. The dash ants tried to drag away the grain of sugar. Yes, beta, find the adjective. आंट, छोटे छोटे से आंट होते हैं, उसके लिए हम क्या वर्ड्स यूज़ करेंगे बेटा? टाइनी, टाइनी आंट्स. Now move forward to the page number 19 and complete this exercise. Sentence number 4. The dash crow opened his mouth to sing. Beta, the dash crow. Tell me the color of the crow and you find in the box. Yes? Black crow. Children, you complete sentence number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 from the given words in the box. Now start exercise B. Read the caption. Group A is a list of adjectives and group B is a list of nouns. Each adjective best describes only one noun. Match and write each pair of adjective and noun in the blank space. बेटा ग्रुप ए में सारे एग्जेक्टिव्स हैं, all are adjectives, and in group B all are nouns. बेटा हमें इस एग्जेक्टिव को नाउन से पहले मैच करना है, फिर हम इधर ब्लैंक में लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट वी मैच the adjective with the noun, then write in the blanks in the right column of adjective and noun. First word is big. Now match with the noun big man. Big noise? No. But big building is correct. Match the big with building. This is the right answer. Second word, windy. Match the windy with the noun man. No. Noise? No. Building? No. Windy day. Yes, it is correct. Match the windy with the day. Next word, wild. Man, noise, building, day, grass, tea, animal. Yes, wild animal. Blue. Yes. Blue sky. Loud man, noise. Yes, loud noise. Thin. Thin, match the thin. Thin man. Yes. Hot. How many words are left? Grass and tea. Match the hot. Hot grass? No. Hot tea. Green grass. Now start to fill the blanks. First we have adjective column, then we have nouns column. First word is big. Write the big. Big is adjective, so we write in the adjective column. Big. And what is the noun? Building. We write the building in the noun column. The second word is windy. Windy is adjective. We write here. And day. Day is a noun. We write in the noun column. Now children, you complete this exercise with the help of giving my examples. Children, exercise C, read the caption, fill in the blanks with nouns to match the given adjectives. Children, it is your homework. इस एक्सरसाइज में बेटा हमें सूटेबल नाउन्स लिखने हैं. एडजेक्टिव ऑलरेडी लिखे हुए हैं, हम इससे मैच करके नाउन लिखेंगे. थिंक अबाउट इट चिल्ड्रन एंड गिव मी आंसर. फ्रेंडली, यस, थिंक फास्ट. फ्रेंडली बेटा मैन भी हो सकता है, वुमेन भी हो सकता है, बट आई राइट हियर friendly man. The second word is beautiful. Beautiful तो बहुत सारे nouns हो सकते हैं बेटा. Beautiful flower, beautiful dress, beautiful chair. Lots of noun आप इधर लिख सकते हैं, but I want to write here beautiful flower. A ripe fruit. Same like this. Pretty dress भी हो सकता है बेटा, girl भी हो सकता है. Pretty dress. Now you complete this exercise and write a suitable noun. Lazy, white, large, small, sunny, cold. Write a suitable noun in the blanks and complete this exercise of page 19. It is your homework.